Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. Walk into a store for toothpaste and come out with scented candles, a kitchen gadget shaped like unicorn, and a limited edition snack you've never tasted. Congratulations! You've just been promoted from buyer to victim. Stores are not innocent buildings. They are carefully designed psychological obstacle courses where bright lights whisper, sale, background music says, take your time, and discounts scream, you deserve this, even when your wallet is already crying. The basket is placed far away so you'll grab one. Aisles are arranged to make you wonder like a confused pilgrim. And suddenly, you're justifying a purchase by saying, I might need this someday, which is adult code for I was tempted. The trap is subtle. You think you're making rational choices, but the store has already made them for you. Your job is just to swipe the card or pay cash from your wallet. So, beware. If you don't plan to buy it, didn't need it, and can't explain it without laughing, the product didn't choose you. You were beautifully, professionally tempted. Thanks for watching.